Feature inference attacks. Attempts to extract client data from the shared model updates. Membership inference attacks. Identifying whether a particular data point was part of the model's training data. Reconstruction attacks. Rebuilding parts of the training data based on model parameters. Rewriter attacks. Clients benefit from the global model without contributing any data to it. This diagram visualizes different types of privacy attacks that can occur in federated learning. As you can see, these attacks can target both the security and privacy aspects of the system, and it's crucial to develop robust defenses to mitigate these risks.